Hey, how's everybody doing today? I'm doing well, thank you for asking. Body beat down here on this hump day afternoon, just after 4 p.m. So today is my second chest day of the week. Again, I'm doing it Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and everything else, Tuesday and Thursday, is more cardio based. Just doing something a little different this week. And Monday we went heavy and we did a bunch of singles, and then I did 405 for a eccentric or whatever it's called, where you come down. You don't go back up with it, but you come down. And today I'm not going to go as heavy. It's going to be more of a workout. And but again, I can only do so many reps because I don't want to put my shoulder under that much workload for that period of time. Not good to do. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started and get this over with, because it should go pretty quick and easy. We hope so. So let's do some flat bench pressing. Okay, 135. Warm up set number 2. All right, 185. All right, we got 225. All right, let's do 275. All right, guys, 315. This is where we're topping out at. All right, we got 225. Okay, final set of 225, and then we're done. Alright guys, and just like that, our chest workout is done and over. Short and sweet, to the point. Everything went pretty much how I wanted it to go. So that's kind of all I was looking for. I wasn't trying to do nothing crazy today. So making myself stop at 315 was good. Giving my shoulders a little break from some of the heavier in the 300-pound range stuff, and not pushing things too far. So pretty good, guys. And tomorrow we're going to be doing more cardio based working out. I know you guys love that. Well, judging from the views, people don't like it too much, but nonetheless, that's what I'm going to do, and stay true to what I need to do. That's what we all need to do, is stay true to what we feel we need to do. So cardio is important. It's not just something that you do haphazardly and just, once in a while, once every 10 years. You need to have cardio in your life to some degree, all the time. And I need it far more than what I get it. So once you start letting yourself become lazy and complacent and just lifting a few weights and then going to sit back down and lifting a few weights and sitting down, it becomes too much of a habit, and then that's all you end up doing. And we think we're doing more, well, I'm doing more than this person, when actually you might not be doing as much as you think. And I'm in that same boat. So I'm not pointing fingers at any one person, pointing fingers at myself too. So we can always do a little bit more. So anyway, Friday school starts back, and so tomorrow's my last free day of the rest of my life, and we'll use that for the cardio. That'll get me ready for Friday. So guys, if you enjoyed the channel, enjoy the videos, the nearly 4,000 videos I got out there, go check them out. If you enjoy all that, maybe like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff to the Body Beatdown. That's me, Michael, your rambling on host. Ramble. Anyway, guys, get up, get out, get rad, do it to it, and we'll see you next time on the Body Beatdown. See y'all later.
Get up, get out, get rad, and do it to it!